waza muli bwanji sinalanga titi dima kala kuno kudiwesa ikoma dima chogara ko Botswana. I'm back with another Sangie reaction. I'm on a roll. Sorry about that. I'm on a roll. I'm on a Sangie roll. Sangie roll. Oh, sounds like a nice recipe of bread. Do you want some Sangie rolls, guys? Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you Zikomo Kwambiri MLB for this suggestion, and yeah, I feel like you guys have been here for a very long time, even though this channel just picked up from the other one. But anyway, Zikomo Kwambiri for your suggestion. I was gonna get to it anyway because it's Sangie, you know what I mean? There is no way around it. But here we are. Say Something, that's the name of the song. Please go check out Sangie's YouTube page, subscribe there, give her a million subs. I'm sure you're gonna love her music. She's like, she has range, you know, like she doesn't sing just one genre. I think she goes all the way, so that's talent. And she's actress as well, so big up to Sangie, man. I'm a big fan. This is a new song. Let's get to it. If you are here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel, and then hit that like button. It is for the algorithm.
Oh yeah, can you be my lover? Say Indiana. The way you looking at me, see me go feel no more. If you could look another how I'm feeling right now. Could you up and without you to me, it's a no-no. Would you say something, boy? I've been looking at you, looking at me. I've been needing for a day, I can't even feel you looking at me. Koma mwina ndine ochabe Inge wazunguza mudu star Nipo wagwedeza mbendera ya warrior Mene nikumira pande wandikia. Oh, would you say something? Oh man, not too girly. Or maybe I'm too flirty. Them say I'm not too chatty. Don't act like you and just my phone a body. Yeah, the way you looking at me, see me go feel no more. If you could look another how I'm feeling right now. Would you go follow without you to me? It's a no-no. Would you say something, what? I'm a lover, been a so healer. Need a banga means of focus on sending a defender, been a so leader. I will hold your hand tight and I don't say who na fighter.
Yo, I totally forgot that I'm reacting here. Anyway, what can we say about the video? It's a beautiful video, obviously. Sangie, one of the biggest artists out there. Anyway, according to me, from Malawi, so the video quality is like top notch, obviously, and the acting in there. I am also trying to focus on the words she is saying. I cannot understand most of the words she's saying. That's why it took me a long time. I totally forgot that I'm supposed to like comment on this, but you know, it is what it is. I love this. I feel like she could be just standing there. I'll be like, wow, that's a good song. All right.
I'll do that for you. Just say something.
Anyway,
you know, say I'm too naughty. The way we come too crazy for it. We are so full and cause we're too talky. All you can do is say something, baby. The way you're looking at me, see me go feel no more. Oh, if you could look another how I'm feeling right now. Would you go follow without you to me? It's a no-no. Say something, the way you're looking at me, see me go feel no more.
Hey, it's a whole vibe, man. I'm like,
I'm feeling right now. Would you go follow without you to me? It's a no-no. Would you say something, something, boy.
I feel like Southern Africa is beautiful around this time, you know, like it's green, it's lush. It's the best time to shoot a music video, and that music video was beautiful. I'm not gonna lie. I like the greenery of Southern Africa. I don't know. I feel like it's unique. I don't know. Maybe it's just me paying too much attention to nothing, but beautiful video from Sangie, beautiful music as well, and you know, everything is beautiful in there. Thank you so much for this suggestion. I cannot say thank you enough. You guys are so wonderful. It's so good to know that you guys are watching these videos, and it's like we're hanging out, and you know, you never know. So I'm really thankful. If you're watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel, and hit that like button. It is for the algorithm. Please go check out Sangie's YouTube page, guys. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, support her, because she has beautiful videos that she's putting out, beautiful music as well, so she deserves those subscribers. And none of these artists are talking to me in that way. Like, it's not like I know her personally, but I know like the work that she's putting out there deserve for you guys to not just be watching these videos and subscribe as well, because you know, I think her videos hit like million views and stuff, but the subscribers are not there yet. She needs to have like 20 million subscribers. It's just me. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the other side.